In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance filter for coin searches. If you're new to cryptocurrency trading, or even if you're a seasoned trader looking to refine your search methods, the filter function on Binance can be a game changer. It allows you to swiftly navigate various coins based on criteria that matter to you, such as price, trading volume, or even recent performance, helping you make more informed trading decisions. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Binance website. Of course, you'll need a valid Binance account. If you haven't set one up yet, you'll want to do that first, as you'll need it to access the full suite of features on the platform. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the top of the web page, where you'll see a menu item labeled Markets. This is a central hub on Binance for exploring the different cryptocurrencies available for trading. Clicking on Markets will take you to a comprehensive overview of all the cryptocurrencies listed on Binance. Now that you're on the Markets page, it's time to hone in and filter the options to suit your needs. Over in the top right corner, just next to the search bar, you'll spot the filter icon. This icon looks somewhat like a funnel, which is a perfect visual metaphor for how it helps you narrow down your options. Go ahead and click that icon to start customizing your search. Once you've clicked the filter icon, a new panel will appear, offering a variety of filtering options. The first and perhaps most straightforward option available to you is to filter by price. This is ideal if you're looking to find coins within a specific price range, whether you're bargain hunting or seeking pricier options with perceived stability. Another critical factor for many traders is trading volume, which is often indicative of liquidity and how actively a coin is being traded. If you're looking for coins with a lot of movement, this is definitely the option you'd want to explore. There's also an option to filter by top gainers. This is particularly useful if you're interested in identifying coins that have seen a significant increase in value over a short period. It's a handy way to spotlight those high performers that may offer opportunities for trading on momentum. After you've selected your desired filters, Binance automatically updates the list of coins displayed to match your criteria. At this point, you can further explore the coins that meet your needs and make more informed trading decisions, all powered by the insightful filtering capabilities designed right into Binance's platform. And that's it. Remember, a well-executed trading strategy often starts with effective research, and knowing how to use filters can give you a significant edge. That's all for today. I hope that was helpful and that you feel more empowered to go and utilize the Binance filter for your next coin search. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!